And to run on the Kwadwo Sheldon, who you know because attack any heat ya air ban so no. Any camp crowd that heat in every banner, any heat ketwa. And one here it will cost him a lot. Kwadwo Nkansah Shatta Wale together with Shatta Wale Abe really attack, serious attack with threat and ultimatum of this on Kwadwo Sheldon. Now, memma unchire mu de ntia make that simbi. No achire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Mess wa say need mo. Obe like video no other man. Put subscribe buttons na be click notification icon for latest updates. Na be chire wadwen de ama me. E wo comment section so ba so a. No ahye for so anya bi ahye. Onu se na se hwe media ne so a eso aye hye pa. E start with TikTok. Ni aban obi account. Ni aban obi account. And the aban account yeah, state the reason. Emma was okay a report ana a way ana a way. And one is about Ubenya said your account is banned. Emma Abe and it moved from TikTok to YouTube. Many YouTubers have their accounts banned. And I don't know the reason. Me name never happen, never so. Me name the cost there, but many creators I reported said their account have been banned. Emma the year latest our Ghana Hanomo. DJ Slim. DJ Slim YouTube channel of over 100,000 subscribers. Any actually, then say anybody say YouTube I take it down. That 100,000 plus subscribers channel no YouTube I take it that channel not down. As a opposed to a media and so. Now I know Anna Shatta Wale make comment on that on Twitter currently X. I will say now so you go do. Obi biara is what trying to show so eke kana adwen tro no Shatta Wale in there obeba ni ba cross pa fe no start na say Shatta etrem say the cause are leading to the banning of DJ Slim YouTube channel no it is coming from no camp what I say Emma also send a word of cautions to Obi biara just say or didn't any asine so eke kan bibi etre no any ade o make some kind of harsh comment in Adibia is pushing the movement no but dragging the movement no down to the earth no Shatta send a word of caution to those people that him say on countless time Shatta Wale any Kwadwo Sheldon omu a clash omu anya beef in one way or the other cause Shatta echiremu say anything concerning Shatta Wale no Kwadwo Sheldon time e Sheldon time show no so a on can say fa ono Shatta Wale no hoda da bia de bone da bia bono beka recently Wale edin 40th birthday the Shatta first no right after that no ana highest area ebetena KSS eka say Shatta fans na no mo hono no bodu mo shipa no mo no kan just say just say anything Shatta Wale no Kwadwo Sheldon the studio that hono no mu nyina time ento beka ya after say eba say abandon DJ Slim no ana agenda boys akofa Shatta Wale video in 2023 exactly 15th January 2023 ana Shatta Wale this particular video to Kwadwo Sheldon
Shatta Wale under YouTube. Kwadwo Sheldon, today be on the 15th and they give you 15 days 15 days to do that thing. Otherwise when you don't do that thing the next thing be I will call my lawyers when they write to you. Then I go sue you, make you understand, say, yeah, Shatta, you be somebody. I go make you see what be power, what be law. What be power, what be law. If you and me go court, then me go court and go tell somebody, say, you have the right to put my name, Shatta Wale, on your YouTube channel. I no go talk plenty. I thank everybody for listening to me. Those of you who have gotten the message I sent across, God bless you. Those of you too who want fool themselves and do the word they did, get that word, because you are never going to make it. Because this word inside, none of us is making it alive. But what? Happiness. What is happiness? Happiness is when you have worked so hard and you are happy. It's not about money. It's not about riches. It's not about anything. Happiness. I'm so happy with myself. Those of you where you know happy with yourself, they there and they fool yourself and they deal in nonsense people. Follow nonsense people. Me I not come this life. Come do more. I come this life inside to make it, to succeed, to make money, plenty, and help people, solve people problem, do things. So if
man 15 days ultimatum say any video Kwadwo Sheldon aye about Kwadwo Shatta Wale no, on take it down all the videos and after the 15 working days no, obetin nka from lawyers and as obetin nka from the court. But from then I say I had an to be now that video when I agenda was echo fire no. And also ana Kwadwo Nkansah Shatta also agena e kan asem. Ese ene me so me ma Kwadwo Sheldon 15 days. Video bi a waye efa ono Kwadwo Nkansah Shatta ho no on delete enye sa obetini samia
onam na fu bem na ne mpaboa chere watakaka bi ne dan che eba se die ehwa akase because YouTube die de nya enti ye se ne padidi YouTube nti ye se ne padidi baka so nti no obi atrasa ofise me atake ni pa na ma manya viewers have scale wudi ye no me de wo kan wasem bone na wudi di de no me kes come about never know enye ne eba chiu me bi eba o ba chiu a che se kwampo answer wo fita tete ban no fita tete ban di tita ba se akuaba no atrasa kunye no agege dem akunya 10 million no agege dem now the mark be 5 million na no wo kan kwasesem wo di obi papa patem obi kunatem se ni person wo di atem so obi abobra sen no obi oni nyama o man mu sen no ye machi ye bobo di papa asen no ono obi ani obi di obo obo ni so obo no han se ni botrase no nyanko fo sa betra ho kofi bi omunya omusu nya daaje otifi a woni hweye woni adwuma beye tise wa kwotra ho se bo so yi kakra ma na to de na di ntino no watrase no mu kasafa obi asem se onye bani bia adwuma wo ye no papa ba mu nka bani ba dia no matrasa mu destroy nipa no amen kan yan say ye ene bafom unless we tima facha fe ne be baako obi anfa fom fro no fa dan fu tiri o pa gana ko o kwa ne o na gana fo ni atie wa you can never break someone down do nyamesha no bi antifa na mafom tiri ye kamo sha ase ache what does uti o de ne sa ache de achi uti o de ne sa ache de uti ta uti sa ate no in a foot to che what no cat is asem ene we cause of waba kra abe broadcasting abenya akonya makse ko fu ban nase eyinte man ko ntino wonya tumi wonya audacity e cat is asem hey wo fu se kuku wo fu don't talk mo 2026 yanemo ye bompae yanemo besi ya video gum channel mo ni ye be direct ni ya nireti a I'll send to message to the YouTube before no say munye video film ya mo 7 letter na let approve say munye ni videos in film when you are then later no I sent to YouTube office. Yes. Timon train. You see. Argentina. Papa abani pana. Now see there be I will never talk say men ka papa mfani pano da. Na me de me twen se bone be ba na ho. Kwadwo Sheldon. I'll give you 15 days. 15 working days. Remove me ho asem bia watra o page no so aka o mention me din go back to your channel and hwehwe neglect me ho no film cut me ho asem me film that one cut film 15 days I will save you and I will you know remember Ghana phone you hu je koso this one and come and Kwadwo Sheldon and scanty Uni Kwadwo Sheldon. I'll give you guys 15 working days. Remove once and be what come from what with a good YouTuber. And go on my man for her Emma numbers. Delete it. Yeah, the one NSRC. Now January 2026. Oh, blogger be a Wagana ha. We are YouTuber. We are YouTube blogger. We want somebody waka bone ne saa di matema papa ba e wonka bida shase dileti. I will serve all of them letters to invite you to court to answer it. Because delete my videos from my page. Nemo obia oka papa na bone ba osa kanede Germany nem. I'm talking about brother bia when china say we dem bia obeku honu mase obeka bone safa ho saa kopim say when mbegu asen say ni pakro no shase edit film now and sample 2026 aba. But for now the na shase Kwadwo Sheldon this country. Kwadwo Sheldon. Kwadwo Sheldon. Kwadwo Sheldon. Kwadwo Sheldon. Kwadwo Sheldon. Kwadwo Sheldon. Delete all my videos so why from her. Because I have been feeling kutamo. And I do fear I said nipa da sani one keti adwuma say wo keti ko YouTube I said broadcast I will fear with the project on my Ghana ni bia. And the papa ba o kan bani boss ok. Fine, but na broadcast ye movie album ewias bin sida. Hollywood phone bi, Hollywood phone bi, Nollywood phone the whole world e bin sida. Say producer well akosset. At the 3 months, 4 months, I movie, Maku 20 or different story and different titles. I had the other trouble, Nyansa, and can want some that. In San Comedia, Tembi, Nameka, when even in Kenya, what by you who said that year, I be John, I video up to Bomba. But we know Shatta Wale lawyer, I also have my lawyers. I will write you before 15 days. If you not remove all my videos from your channel, or if you not delete my videos from your channel, or if you not cut it my side from your videos and your channel, sir, I will see you massively, seriously, recklessly. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Delete it. When you have a chance here, Nanga meaning say, General, I have a chance here. Can we take you surprise? Can we take you surprisingly? We take you surprisingly. My idea, okay? And for the Becca, at this moment, Ghana for solid dimatem, Becca be a dimatem. May I, the papa dear, unka. What blogger are you doing? What broadcast are you doing? What YouTube blogger you are doing? Don't trust the piano, when in the limit, if I not the panel. What can one, I'm a Ghana for your city boy, wait for benefit, people when you want it. Papa swap bar, Cabba project to pay so many was a, and then I call can I papa, and then no Adia as a papa and trendy, whatever trendy. Let me tell you guys, set on the 2026, 1st January to end then. I will see all of that bloggers and when you're banning videos, FRTs. I will shut all of you guys and I'll make sure that all your channel no, you're best shutting it down. I will go Sabakram to report to you guys. Say I don't need my video into your page. I don't want to post me in your page. Those guys here, I'm talking to you guys. But do I come up her? No come on in Papa back, the phone so I can. Now now showbiz. But within your rate, and for when in confidence, and Jessica. And Papa put your video for Jessica. Now do I not one or talk to you? I could tell him no bread, no performing, no other form, no you say, no Jimmy, yes say. Yeah, but now do I traffic. What video? Why Jimmy do not go even answer? Why so say no so 100K, 200K was no dollars. Let me tell you, delete after deleting, don't talk to me, don't talk about me and don't post, don't mention my name into your videos. If you mention my name in your videos, we are putting it your YouTube, I'm telling you, we will strike you. We will strike you at the same time. I'll give you 15 days. 15 working days. 15 working days. Kwadwo Sheldon, 15 working days. Kwadwo Sheldon, 15 working days. Scanty, 15 working days. And we said that bay, I don't mind way. Munina, Papa Ba, Mube project. I'm gonna boni para after the Paquanimu. Let that be a bonenqua. Why say, no more project, Mania one daddy, we have 10 times. Papa Badia, a big plan can go back here. What kind of worse? On my bed, if you know. Reset, no. You best second a month and reset we and for baby. Tia, I buy reset to home. Yes, artists in Ghana, both actor and a musician. We are also doing our reset. You have a chance, SCC, you guys here. Moka some artists who didn't attempt. Ah, Papa Madia, no market to Neguso. What you guys, I will see you guys, all of them. And if I give you guys next year or this year, we'll be a chance. Wow, we didn't say. People will make some money, some make up about Shasia, negative phone. And I can't imagine a few videos. You are free. But for now, moment, we are starting from Kwadwo Sheldon. The guy who know that guy, anytime disrespect artists in Ghana, he talking how to artists who is Kwadwo Sheldon. You are free. But for now, moment, we are starting from Kwadwo Sheldon. The guy who know that guy, anytime disrespect artists in Ghana, he talking how to artists who is Kwadwo Sheldon, who is Kente from who these guys, who this guy Kwadwo Sheldon and Kente. Tell me who these guys. If it's not YouTube to your doing, how can you insult someone other than you? He passed everything than you. We talk anyhow because we have a big head. Because we have a big head, we teach you a lesson. We teach you a lesson. After SM, the same day, the same 15 days, the last day, we also both bring you the letter. When Shatta Wale send you letter, I'm also send the same letter. Let me tell you, wicked people, wicked some of guys doing bad things about celebrities or everyday bad things. The person you're talking about you as a bad thing, we don't talk the good thing about the person. You're so wicked. God punish you. God punish you. God punish you. And the brother who up with Ghana. Would the time be a celebrity once a bar? Or because any mum, papa, dear, what's I wanted, dear, and could be a bar, and your papa, dear, won't come once. God will punish you. To Sorry. You know me, and I know you. You don't know me too. I don't know you. So name me a minimum. Delete all my videos. And from now, don't talk about me again. And don't mention my name into your video or your interviews. You know the law. We know we have a law to talk about someone. Someone don't like how you are talking to, how you mention the name. You can put you to somewhere. Don't mention my name. You are not only blogger. You are no. Who are you? Kwadwo Sheldon, scanty. Kwadwo Sheldon. Ghana for the song. Ghana for being so sebi. As a himself. Na muni na kotai obi achi ni pa say obi anim no wonyo obia she said as a celebrity artist no celebrity no ni hu enkofo hinti no say himself jama go so much we ni e ma we din say ni pa go fit na ma feel big na how much celebrity no how much ntuni na wo ska ya me hia no wo din on ko feel say wo blogger no nye wa be nye followers nti wo feel ya wo pia mata wo feel big wo ko pega asa wo go ba as a star be as a nipamu bi, as a cashier bi, as a YA bi, as a president bi, as a MP bi, as a honorable bi way. Hey, boy, concerning me of you, my zibo, boy.
Wait, and in someone, Go Montana. So, should I give mammy a comment section? I Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!